Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxings. This month we're going back to the 90s with this AH-64 Apache kit from 1990. This kit is in 1/48 scale and the sprues are moulded in green plastic. The parts in this kit look really good. I must say the plastic might be a little thin. I can see the light peeking through some of the smaller parts. It's really interesting the number of coloured sprues we see in older kits. Do you prefer the colourful sprues of yesteryear, or are you more partial to the modern grey plastic? Finally, we have the clear parts, which have a few scratches on them but look good enough to build. Now, here's the unfortunate part, no decals or instructions in this kit. They've likely been lost in someone's stash over the last 30 years. A tragic loss, but I'm sure it happens to the best of us. Well, that's all for this month's Retro Unboxing. Keep those sprues safe and I'll see you next time for another nostalgic dive into the Airfix archives.